So hey guys, right now I'm here as isang computer store. So I bought a computer para kay dad ko. Kasi my dad has been complaining lately na his laptop is very old na. He's been using this netbook for 10 years na. So I plan to surprise him buying him a Ryzen 3 3200G. So I bought him, it cost around 21,000. So I'll give the specs later. So right now it's being prepared. So hindi nila ma-install, so I have to assemble it kasi this is marami pa akong puntahan later. So I'll do a full review and then game benchmark mamaya. Hello guys, welcome sa another video ulit. Before we made a Ryzen 5 na 2600G na video in my previous na post. So in this video, ito naman Ryzen 3 naman, Ryzen 3. Wait. Kita nyo? Yan o, Ryzen. Focus ko lang. Yan, Ryzen 3. So ang ito pong center ng build natin, Ryzen 3. And then binili ko to lahat, package, and then meron akong in-add na konti. For example, ang wireless keyboard. By the way, this is from Miniso. Yan. And alam ko sa inyo gusto nyo gaming na style, pero this is for office. So I like the feel ng keyboard and the mouse. And also, 19-inch na monitor. And then, na 80 plus bronze na PSU para reliable and hindi masira ang computer nyo if meron fluctuations or over voltage na mangyari. And also, ang motherboard natin is A320M motherboard by BioStar. So, mamaya buksan ko to. And also, simple lang na case, na ATX case. Di ko pa nabuksan, pero nakita ko na ang display nila. And also, meron freebies na mousepad, headset, and also ang RAM natin. Dalawang 8GB, para 16GB lahat. And also, ng 240GB na SSD. Ano pa? And also, merong free na LAN cable. So, ang first na price nito, it costs around 16,000 lahat nito. Pero to make it to improve their package, I added another 8GB na RAM para 16GB kasi ang Vega graphics ng Ryzen 3 kailangan mataas na RAM kasi it needs around 2GB. It allocates 2GB to the graphics to the built-in graphics ng Ryzen 3. And also, usually sa mga ganitong package na 16,000 lang, they include a generic na PSU, parang low quality na PSU na kasama sa case. So I added a RAID Max na 80 plus bronze. So this is 700 watts and this costs around 2,500. So marami pang mga free like mga keyboard, and so ang keyboard nila, wait, kunin ko. Itong free nila not free, included na keyboard, A4 Tech. Magandang quality ito, pero malaki siya. So that's why pinili ko tong Miniso na keyboard. Kasi mas maliit siya and then mas malinis tingnan. So guys, let's fast forward. I'll make a time lapse that Hey guys, so ang PC, parang okay na siya. Ang ganda talaga, ang ganda ng Raid Max pala, no? It's white. And this is the PC, Ryzen 3 3200. I hope this will work. Tapos na lahat. I hope I did a lot of alam ko hindi ako magaling sa cable management, pero I'm trying my best. So ito po, itong likod niya. Yan, makita nyo ba? Yep. Itong harap niya. Yep. So hindi nyo makita ang SSD kasi nandito siya. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna try to boot it. Tingnan ko kung if it will work. And I hope I put the pins sa tamang lugar nila. And by the way, pasensya kung messy ng area ko kasi I have to assemble another computer ng Core 2 Quad, another video naman. And also, I'm trying to build my own case kasi meron HP na small form factor. So hindi siya case, malagyan ng malaking graphics card, so I have to build that. So another video ulit. So medyo busy and also maraming assignments and homework sa school. So pasensya lang kung So I'm just trying to give you the best video I can possibly Guys, I'm about to turn it on. So the monitor is on na, pero the computer is down here. I'm gonna press start. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, nice. So guys, this is my first time assembling like computer from the ground up, and everything na ako nag-cable manage. Usually, I just put it like lang talaga, random lang. And by the way, this computer is for my dad. Para sa dad ko to. This is a Ryzen 3200G. Makita nyo. Then, wait, let me just lang the camera. So, yep. 3600 megahertz. Makita nyo. Yep, that's it. And then, ang RAM, 2400 ang speed. Not the fastest, pero pwede na. Kasi hindi naman to pang gaming, pang office to. What else? So, advanced. I think pwede ito ma-overclock, pero wag lang. So, okay. Parang okay naman lahat. 16 gig na detect niya. Wait, zoom in ko lang. There. Makita nyo sa lower screen. Yan o. Yan, 16 gig. 16 gigs. So, right now guys, gawin ko, lagay ko sa flash drive ang Windows 10 and then install ko dito. Ngayon, I'm just transferring it. Downloading it right now. So, wait lang ah. So, if this is the keyboard, Miniso. This costs 800 yen. So, mouse and keyboard na siya. So, let me open it. It's really hard. Oh my goodness. Wait lang ah. Wait lang. The computer... Okay, it's back to English. I was kinda scared kasi nag-Chinese ang menu. Wait lang. So, opening it. And there you go. Tan-taranan. Very, very nice. Wireless siya. Very tiny and handy. And ang keyboard, very soft. Cute na mouse. So, I hope it lasts. It costs 800 pesos. So, I hope maganda ang quality na to. So, that's it. Subscribe to my channel. Hey guys! So, I'm finally done with the installation. This is the driver CD ng motherboard. And this is the computer. So, as you can see, yan, meron siyang RGB. Yan lang. And then yan, I try to make to make the cables neat. So guys, I have to end the video here kasi sobrang it's getting too long na. And then watch out for part 2 where I'm gonna benchmark. Right now I'm installing games, Genshin Impact, Dota 2, ROS, Crossfire, LOL, I think GTA and Battlefield lagay ko rin. So guys, if you enjoyed this kind of videos where I make builds, and then if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Malaking tulong yan sa akin at sa channel ko. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.